Here's a 2019 BMW X3. This X3 is versatile and nimble enough for the urban jungle and capable enough for your next road trip. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, front heated sport seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports with newfound suppleness to its suspension setup, greater agility, stronger performance, reduced thirst, and expanded roominess, the X3 feels much more like something conceived in Munich should. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.